welcome to another video. So today we are obviously not sitting in the car. Something different today. So we are visiting today an Oldtimer festival, and this will be a very funny episode because we don't have any clue about Oldtimers. I mean, we're absolutely not into it, and please please be not mad with us or sad if we do giving incorrect information, but yeah, we think it will be a funny video, and let's see what this day bring. I would suggest these guys now watching some clips of some cars, and we're gonna check what else do we find at this very special car meet. Yes, cool. So first summary.
We went 50 meters deep.
Yeah, again, that's what usually happens if you and me going to car shows.
Yeah.
We get like the entry like 30 meters, and we stop like and stand there for 10 minutes.
I mean, that's like what 10 minutes video material already.
Yeah.
So raw material.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, look at this, guys. All the cars here, and there's also going up the way. It's absolutely crazy what's going on here. Oh, look at this. It's absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, that's us in 30 years.
Probably,
yeah.
Sitting here with a Supra.
Yeah. So you guys are watching some more clips. We're gonna eat a bratwurst.
Yeah.
Typical German bratwurst. And I would suggest we catch up after the bratwurst, the most seen cars today, or the most favorite cars we've seen today. And then we're gonna see what's inside the city. There are also a lot of cars everywhere. This is just about to start, guys. right, so we crossed the bridge and we're not like what, like 50, 60 cars, and one better than the other.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean the level of how the cars look is crazy.
Yeah, that's,
absolutely crazy.
That's everything from like fully restored cars to like completely original, slightly used condition.
Yeah, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So now we're gonna go get some bratwurst and the beer.
Finally. At least we try.
We're gonna go for the bratwurst, and these guys are watching some more cars, and let's see what else do we find here. I mean, this whole festival is so big. Let me turn the camera. Look at this. It is like the whole inner city is like full with cars. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to interrupt. I have to film.
Yeah, and so it just continues.
So it just continues. So you guys checking out some cars with us together now, and we grab some food. Alright, come here. Now the trio is full, so we have Mark. You all know him, we've been in Japan together. Eric, this event is crazy, is it?
Yeah.
I mean, they're literally, as you see here, they have even the city park is packed completely with cars.
Yeah.
Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so many enthusiasts, it's like...
And we are still missing one whole street full of cars.
Yeah, absolutely.
On the way back, we have another street to watch.
Yeah, 100%. So I guess we're gonna walk around now, do grab some more clips of some cars, and I love this country, man. I love this country and I love the car culture here. It's crazy, absolutely crazy.
German classic cars.
German classic cars, so dope, so dope. Alright people, so we made it to the other side, as you see, of the park. It's mind-blowing. Okay, I think we should need tuning meets organized like this, because having this in the park, and this is such a special feeling, especially when you're a car guy. Absolutely crazy, and you absolutely meet pure enthusiasts. So I'm really speechless. I like the Chevy there. I think one of my favorite cars because of the color and the interior and everything. So mind-blowing, absolutely mind-blowing. So we now grab again some drinks, and I guess that's it then. So let's see what comes next. And oh guys, I tell you, super cool event, super cool event and festival. So we are heading back to the car. It was so crowded.
Yes, this was different.
It was different. I mean, also the cars there. I don't know what to say.
Super clean.
And even some of the cars look like they left like the production yesterday.
Yeah.
Really, it's absolutely mind-blowing and crazy. I don't know. Are there tuning meets where these cars are so clean? I mean, yes, they are, but the level of the maintenance level, the how clean they look,
and also how into the owners are.
Yes, yes. And I mean, the owner's sitting there behind with like chairs and tables and smoking cigars and having a glass of alcohol-free beer, right?
Yeah.
It's like absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. It's us in 30 years, bro.
Probably, yeah.
So, did we forget to mention something? No. I think it's worth going there.
Absolutely, because it's completely free.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I mean, it's a festival.
Yeah.
And so even the police was there, firefighters were there. Also there we had like an open Sunday, so the shops in the inner city were open. We didn't film that because we don't want to bore you with content that's not car related. Our wife is going shopping, right? So yeah, I mean, that's it.
Yeah, if you want to make some buy some cheap classic cars, there were some for sale, and I would say the prices here are pretty decent.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.
Because it's like enthusiast prices.
I mean, the RX-7 we saw was like 8K.
Yeah.
And that's cheap.
Yeah.
I mean, if you compare it to Mobile prices, or if you want to import them, it's really cheap.
Yeah. And he still had all documents.
Yeah, yeah. Even the old vehicle registration papers.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So guys, if you still watching the video until that point, go and hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's for free, and it really helps us a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.